everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will be creating a Pong game in Scratch. In case you want to watch more of my videos, you can go to the playlist section on my channel, and then you can find different playlists with different titles so that you guys can watch any video easily, or you can find any video easily. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you need a backdrop or a background. You need to click this mountain picture thing. You need to double tap it so that it actually works. Or maybe if you're doing it with a computer, you can just click it once. But I think you have to double tap it. Anyways, let's pick one. I think I'm going to pick the neon tunnel. That looks good. Then you need to click or choose a sprite. First of all, I'm going to delete the cat sprite. You can use it if you choose to. I'm going to click the trash can. Now I'm going to double click this cat. Oh, not a bow, but I just need to, much more. I'm going to click the ball. That looks fun. It's a yellow ball. So, first code that you need is move 10 steps. You're going to move 10 steps with 15. Then you need to put this in a forever loop so that it keeps on repeating every time. So next you need to add if on edge bounce code under the move 15 steps. Then you can add point in direction. Let's see, here it is. You can replace the 90 by 45. Okay. Above the forever loop. Then you need to add when the green flag clicked. So whenever you click the green flag, the ball will go on its own wherever it wants to. As soon as you click the red stop sign, it will stop wherever it is. So next you need to add another sprite. You need to click on the cat, and then you can search paddle. You need to drag at the bottom of your screen, just like that. Then you need to add code to it. And first of all, the code needs to be set X to something. So set X to just like this. Then you need to go to the sensing area. You need to click mouse X. So set X to mouse X. Then you need to put it in a forever loop. Just like that. And finally, you can add when green flag clicked. That's it. Your game is finished. You can zoom in, press the green flag. Wherever if you're on a computer, you can drag your mouse and it will always follow your mouse. You can also add code to it. Or if you're on an iPad or iPhone, or any type of phone, you can just drag it with your fingers, So this is the end of this video. If you would like to see more of my videos, then you can just subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you guys can get a message or get a notification whenever I post videos. See you guys later. Bye guys. Oh, and remember, if you want a shout out in the next video, just comment below then after you're subscribing. This week's shout out goes to Zia Hafiz. Thank you so much for subscribing, and remember, nothing is impossible. Bye guys.